Hello, my name is Katie Christopher. I'm a PE and coaching third year student. This video is all about fitness testing and why it's important to improve performance. I'll go through a range of tests to show you that you can do some at home. So what is fitness testing? Fitness testing is a way of gaining information about the health related and the skill related components of an athlete's fitness. Why do we test fitness? The main reason is to identify strengths and weaknesses so that goals can be set and a training programme can be made to achieve those goals. All of these videos are going to be related to the workbook which you can find on the link below. The push-up test measures your muscular endurance in your pectoral and your tricep muscles. To do this test, you need to perform the maximum amount of push-ups until exhaustion. Okay, so for the push-up test, you're going to go into a high press-up position, and all you're going to do is you're going to have your feet and your knees together, and you're going to go down and back up. You can also do it on your knees. If you cross your feet, you can then come down. Make sure your chest just goes just below the floor and back up. The next test is the abdominal curl-up test. This measures your muscular endurance in your abdominals. This is done by measuring the maximum amount of sit-ups you can do in 1 minute. For the abdominal curl test, you're going to sit in a sitting-up position with a 90-degree angle on your knees. Your feet and your knees are going to be together. Your hands are going to stay on your legs. You're going to sit it up and back down. The alternate hand wall toss test. All you're going to do is throw the ball from one hand and catch it with the other against the wall. So the alternate hand wall throw tests your hand-eye coordination. You need to make sure you're stood around 2 meters away from the wall. And you're going to stay in the same place, throwing and catching the ball with opposite hands. The 30-metre sprint test measures acceleration, maximum running speed and speed endurance. Go! So the next is standing long jump. I've adapted it for being at home, so I've got a tape measure and a comb to mark my place. All you're going to do, have your feet slightly apart, stand and jump as far as you can outwards. Standing long jump tests explosive power of the legs. Mark where the back of your heel is. So the first fitness test we're going to do is the Harvard Step Test. This is used to measure cardiovascular endurance. All you need to do is have a step or stairs, and you're going to step up every 2 seconds for a total of 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes are up, you're going to sit down and find your pulse. Then 1 minute after the test, you're going to measure your pulse. You're going to then do the same for the next 2 and 3 minutes. Then use a calculation in your book to work out your result. So I'm going to use the timer on my phone to record my 5 minutes. My 5 minutes are up. I'm now going to find my pulse and follow the steps in the booklet. The next test is the Stork Stand Balance Test. This tests your ability to balance on the ball of your foot. Make sure when you're doing it, you're on your toes, not on your heel. So for the stork stand, you're going to take your shoes off, stand on one leg, place the other leg on your knee, hands on your hips, and you're going to go up onto your tiptoes for as long as you can. Next test is the Illinois Agility Test. Agility is a component of many team sports and it's often missed out. As you can see behind me, I've set up the course, so I'll show you how to do it now. The Illinois test is nice and simple to set up. Just follow the picture in the workbook and use whatever objects you can find. To start the Illinois test, you're going to start in a lying down press-up position in front of this cone here. You're then going to run straight forward to the next cone. You're then going to run on a diagonal to the water bottle where you zigzag in and out, there and back, diagonal to the far wide cone and back to the finish line here.
Go!
Hopefully you all now know why we use fitness testing in sport and how it benefits performance. Please feel free to try these at home and make sure you tag us in your Instagrams. If you want to find out more about sports at the University of Gloucestershire, then visit our website gloss.ac.uk or get in contact via Unibuddy.